Where do I begin to tell this story of how great love can be? The sweet love story, nothing older than this sea. The simple truth about the love supposed to be. Where do I start? When you're first alone, she gave a meaning to the simple world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made me believing fire. She filled my heart. She filled my heart with very special, with angel song, with one imagining. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I will never wonder when I'm alone. Or could be lonely, I'll reach for her. It's always there. How long that it lasts cannot be measured by the hours and the days. I have no answer, not what is not I can say. I know I need her till the stars over the way. And she'll be there.